Hey, what's up YouTube? It's the Ceiling Fan Man here, and I'm going to be remaking a video about the Rejuvenation Peregrine ceiling fan in my room, because in my previous video, the lighting was so bright that it got in the way of the video, so you could literally just only see this throughout the whole video. It was a little bit annoying, I'll tell you. So anyways, as some of you probably know, this is my favorite ceiling fan ever. Reason being, it has such a really cool, striking industrial design, and I just absolutely love it. I know the channel of Random Fans made a video on this in the gold finish, and it got me kind of inspired to remake my Rejuvenation Peregrine ceiling fan video. So anyways, these fans are created by Fanimation because of the remote. That's made by Fanimation. The Rejuvenation website sells Fanimations. I believe there's also something on the motor housing, but I'm not gonna risk like getting up there and trying to see what's on top of it, since it might be a bit blurry for you viewers. Let's start off with the light. It's not the brightest thing in the world, but I guess it'll do. And while we're at it, why not just start it on speed 1, the first speed. As you can see, the DC motor is kind of calibrating itself before it spins to its first speed. Speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 4. There we go. Speed 5. Notice how I switched from my right hand to my left hand, LOL. And let me demonstrate the light for a little bit more time. In the final speed, speed 6. So high speed's probably going about 150 RPM. So while it isn't the fastest thing in the world, it does blow some serious air. It's just an amazing fan. I absolutely love this thing. Along with the Quimby as well. Which, getting back on topic, I recommend anyone to buy this. I know there's been viewers that say, stay very far away from this fan. I love it. I have had 0 problems with it, and it's the best working fan in our house. It's awesome. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. And I hope this remake is better for some of y'all. Alright, soon the next one, where I might review a Hunter X board.